This is a toy made with Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, ultrasonic sensor, and NFC RFID module. This is the connected Android phone by which we can control the movement of this robot forward, backward, left and right. The ultrasonic sensor placed at the place of his eyes of robot helps to have a obstacle-free walking like this. Whenever an object comes in path of this robot, it moves automatically back. Otherwise, it moves freely. This is the complete prototype. Here, this is the ultrasonic sensor as his eyes. Also, this is the small 8 ohm speaker that used to speak. When we move down, this is the RFID module that used to detect a card that what this robot have to speak. On its bottom side, here we have used 2 motors. This is the lithium ion battery, 12 volt. The first white wheel is caster wheel that helps to move left and right and motors. These 2 motors, Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module and motor driver. These 3 are connected with the Arduino Uno with this lithium ion directly connections. Whenever we turn on this toy, it automatically starts a auto repeat recording like this.
सारथी आपका दोस्त। चलो आज मैं आपको हमारे प्यारे भारत देश की सैर करवाने ले जाता हूँ।
This is a auto repeat voice that says that it can take you to the tour of India by just sensing the NFC cards or RFID technology. This is the NFC card that we get free with this RFID module from Amazon. Over this I have folded a A4 size sheet. Likewise, we have card of Golden Temple that's situated in Punjab, Amritsar. Whenever I place this card over this RFID module, it starts speaking all information regarding we have recorded of Golden Temple that's situated in Amritsar, Punjab. Say this, whenever RFID sends this, RFID speaks the information.
मंदिर जिसे हरमंदिर साहिब के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, जिसका अर्थ है भगवान का निवास। यह सिख धर्म का प्रमुख आध्यात्मिक स्थल है। गुरुद्वारा एक मानव निर्मित पूर्ण सरोवर के चारों ओर बनाया गया है जिसे चौथे सिख गुरु रामदास ने 15।
This recorded audio can up to 1 minute and 13 seconds according to our module APR33 that we have used here. APR33A3 module we have used here for maximum 8 recordings. But whenever we convert this into a final project, we have to convert this in where we can store unlimited audios according to size of our SD card. At whatever size we have used here of SD card, like a 4 GB, 16 GB or any other memory card. So this is the final prototype which can walk, which can talk and which can sense. Sensing is occur only due to this ultrasonic sensor that placed here as eyes, like here also. When my camera comes near this prototype, it automatically moves back. The Mouth here used as speaker of 8 ohm, which used for speaking all the information when it sends through RFID module, like I have done earlier with for Golden Temple card. This is the complete prototype that we have made with only Arduino. For any code, any circuit diagram, you have all the links in description.